This is a beautiful facility Lindsay have, but the pitch...
The pair of Anthony Korir and Sammy Chepkwony from Kericho Club registered a combined round of 48 Stapleford points to emerge the overall winners of the 2023 International Pairs Series Kenya Grand Finale held at the Windsor Golf Hotel and Country Club. The top three pairs earned tickets to the World Final that is set for 6th to 10th of November at the Royal Obidos Spa and Golf Resort and Bombs Accesso Resort, Portugal.
We had 7 qualifiers, and out of the 7 qualifiers, we went through different golf clubs across the country, and a total of 314 pairs participated in this program, and we are quite appreciative of the momentum that this event is taking. So the 3 top pairs for this event will represent Kenya in Portugal, and now it's my pleasure to congratulate the pairs of Anthony Korir and Sammy Chepkwony, then the pair of Ignatius Ngetich and Joel Chebon, then finally the pair of Nestle Koech and Isaac Kuto. Most of the appreciation will now go to Kericho Golf Club because you've been consistent in all these qualifying rounds, and a total of 11 pairs, which is 30%, of those who've participated out of the 314 pairs actually made it to this finale.
Solomon Kala and Evelyn Marui are the winners of the 4th edition of